If you're new to PPC, you might have a feeling you need to jump on the bandwagon, but deep down, you might just be wondering what the hell it is. Have you noticed the ads that sit alongside the search results on Google? If you have, you're already familiar with pay-per-click. Howdy, this is Trav from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. In a nutshell, PPC is an online advertising model where advertisers only pay each time a user clicks one of their online ads. It's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically, because it's not as easy to drive free traffic as you think. Google's algorithms are designed to only reward the highest quality sites with organic rankings. And while SEO is great, it can take a lot of time and effort. PPC is a lot faster, and it gives you far more control on how you appear in the search results and where your customers see your ads. Meaning that you're able to connect with the right people at the right time with the right message. To reach the right people, you need to get keyword savvy. Think about it. When you use Google, you type words into the search box to find what you're looking for. The results that Google gives you are there because they're relevant to the words that you've put in the search box. So if you want your ads to show up on a page, then you have to bid on those keywords. So how do you do this? Think of Google Ads like a real-life auction. Something is put up for sale with a starting price, and then the auctioneer starts calling for bids. In Google's auction, the items up for grabs are the placement of your ads in the display and the keywords that you want to appear in the search results. To make sure you're bidding on the right keywords, you need to do a bit of in-depth keyword research to find out what key terms are relevant to your target market. Set up negative keywords to filter out any unwanted clicks and optimize your bids so that you have peace of mind knowing that the keywords you're bidding on are completely worth it. So if you've been picking up what I've been putting down so far, you're probably thinking that if it's like a real auction, the sale should go to the highest bidder. Well, actually, Google Ads is extra selective in how often the ad shows, its position on its page, and how much the ad costs. Depends on two factors: the bid and the projected quality of the ads. Google wants content that makes the search space a better place, and the ads that show people exactly what they want to see, with reliable information and up-to-date resources. If your ads aren't great, you'll have to pay a lot more to Google for them to show your ad to the users. But if you've made some really targeted and compelling ads, your quality score will be through the roof, and so will your ad ranking. So guys, what's the take-home message? Basically, if you develop ad content that is targeted to the right people at the right time with the right message, Google will charge you less per click, leading to higher profits, leads, websites visits, and awareness of your business. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with PPC. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighborhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.